When I first saw you, I was attracted by your beautiful face and your charming smile, but it was the beauty of your heart that I feel for. I found an angel in you that is more amazing than what is visible from the outside. You have a very distinctive pair of eyes. Whenever I look into them, I find myself lost in an ocean of infinite hope, happiness, and peace. This hope keeps me alive. That happiness surrounds me every moment in my life, and that peace reminds me that I am in heaven. I can create other obviously describing my love for you. You have such a profound influence on my life that I cannot erase the memories of you. Even if I live for a million years, I am lucky to be part of your life. I will love you till my last breath. I never thought of falling in love with someone I barely knew. Then suddenly I meet you one day and whispered something in my ear that this is the girl I have ever wanted. Since then, all I know is that I love you and want to be with you forever. I love you against all reason and all discouragement, and will always continue to do so. After loving you, I realized that love like this can only happen once in a lifetime. I cannot wait to witness my life flourish with you. You have made me realize what it feels like to be madly in love with someone. When I will do become old, I will do be looking back and memorizing our good days. You are my one days. You are my one and only. I cannot wait for the days when you will be my wife. I feel in love with you and feel so deep down that nothing in this world can pull me up from here. I thought heaven was up in the sky, but now I know heaven is feeling deep down into love. I wish to be with you till the last moment of my life. From the moment I meet you, I knew there is something in you which attracts me the most. My life was incomplete, and your love has completed me. Your kindness, your royalty, your way of talking has made you unique than any other to me. You mean everything to me, and I cherish you. You inspire me to be my best version and chase my dreams. Time feels so fast whenever I am with you. I want to spend the rest of my life making you loved and special the way you do every day. I am deeply in love with you.